For now, we shift focus amid talks of a merger between the two factions of the National Congress Party. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar held a meet with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. In separate meetings, that is, Sunetra came to New Delhi after taking charge of the office in Mumbai's Mantralaya, accompanied by her sons, Parth and Jay. Her Delhi visit has triggered intense political speculation in Maharashtra political circles. Sources indicate that if a merger does take effect, discussions could include a power-sharing formula with the united NCP likely to receive two cabinet ministries at the centre. Names such as NCP leader Praful Patel and Sharad Pawar's daughter Supriya Sule are being mentioned in political circles as potential beneficiaries if an agreement is worked out on. Also, before moving ahead with the deal, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis reportedly flew to New Delhi to meet senior BJP leaders and discussed possible merger and adjustments in the state cabinet under his leadership. The meetings come at a crucial time following the recent leadership reshuffle within the NCP. While speculation is also rife that there has been no official confirmation of merger talks till now, party leaders have maintained that the NCP remains with the NDA and that no final decision has been taken as of now. And tracking closely all the updates is our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, who sent us this report from Mumbai.
There has been a growing speculation of a possible merger between the two factions of the NCP here in Maharashtra, one led by Sharad Pawar as well as second led by Sunetra Pawar here in the state. And this comes in at a very crucial time when after Ajit Pawar's demise, his wife Sunetra Pawar took oath as the Deputy Chief Minister, and she's meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Amit Shah also in New Delhi. And this has created a fresh political buzz here in Maharashtra. Remember, there have been talks about how there could be possible merger, and if this really happens, then Sunetra Pawar as well as Praful Patel, the NCP leader, could end up getting cabinet berth at the centre. So this, of course, will be a huge development for the state here in Maharashtra politics as well. However, there has been no official confirmation from any of the leaders at this point. This is only a growing speculation and the recent turn of events that is really happening in New Delhi as well as Maharashtra. This is Isha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.